Okay, this will be your physical layer. This will be your physical layer, and this will be your network layer. Okay, this will be your network layer, and this will be your cyber layer. Okay, this will be your cyber layer. Okay, don't be confused with the like the IoT architecture. Okay, there is some minute differences there. More or less things are same. What you will find in the inside the physical layer, what you will find inside the physical layer comprises of physical
execution
physical
of job.
no, sir, basically in case of physical layer, what you will find in physical layer, your humans will be there, your humans will be there, your machines will be there, like washing machines can be there. Okay, your washing machine can be there, humans can be there, or it can be your machines also, totally industrial machines also, it can also be there. And they will be, all the machines will be equipped. Okay, all machines will be equipped with smart sensors. Okay, smart sensors, some sensing phenomena will be there in these machines. And what about the network? It will be just like we have seen as the role of SDN. So it is not mandatory that only SDN based network will be there, then only you will communicate. No, it is all about the data. So but for the time being, you just imagine that it will be your SDN based network, software defined network. Inside that you will have the controller, data plane, and all these things, whatever these are there. Okay, what are the other things you can have inside the SDN? All the things you will find here, or simply replace with the LAN switch or router, whatever you have inside the network part. And in case of cyber world, what you will have, you will find some servers will be there. Okay, my drawing is not good, so but I'm trying my best to this one. Okay, these are the servers. Okay, and simply cloud also. Okay, some cloud also, cloud, or if you afraid little bit about the cloud, so simply you can say centralized platform or data center is there. What about this physical layer? Some sensing phenomena will be there. And where it will send to the cyber layer, it will send to the cyber layer, not the network layer, but via network layer it will be there. And it will be your sensing phenomena, it will be your sensing, it will be your sensing part. Okay, it will be a sensing part. So this is the sensing from physical to cyber layer, and from cyber to this one, cyber layer to physical layer, what will be there as per the analysis. Okay, pre-analysis, main analysis, or this one artificial intelligence can also be applied inside that. As per the outcome of this one, your actuation will be there, your actual actuation will be there. So here what we have seen, here we have seen the sensing part. Here what we will expect, we will expect the actuation part. Okay, we will have the actuation part. Okay, actuation part. Okay, this is the actuation part. So this is the architecture of cyber physical system. Okay, this is the part of cyber physical system. It comprises of three layers: physical layer, network layer, and cyber layer. So cyber layer will be a completely logical layer. Completely logical layer, it may comprises of servers, it may comprises of cloud also, it can have the data centers also. And what about this one inside the physical layer? It can be, it can comprises of humans also, it can comprise of your consumer appliances also, it can comprise of your industries heavy goods also. Okay, everything in the form of this you will have the inside the physical layer. It will sense the conditions. Okay, and further it will forward it to the cyber layer. Okay, cyber layer via the network layer, because we have seen a lot of about the SDN based network. So I have replaced the network layer with the SDN. It can be your MPLS also, or it can be your core network also. There is no scope of further argument inside the network layer. And it will sense the condition and forward to the cyber layer. Then after that, as per the analysis or the artificial intelligence or whatever you want to say, if you fear about the artificial intelligence, forget about that. Some analysis will be there, pre-analysis or main analysis. And as per the outcome of this one, your actuation will be there, your actuation will be there. And this type of system will be there in the CPS based system. And this type, over this type of system, your industry 4.0 will work. Okay, this is the difference. In case of 3.0, already IT already exhausted. It is a new, not a new concept. In case of industry 4 3.0, basically your deployment of servers, deployment of this centralized platform, deployment of your network connected to the machinery with the network, even sensors connected with the sensor. Your sensors are already there. In case of your normal car, also sensors are there, temperature sensors are there, petrol sensors are, fuel sensors are there, so many sensors are there. But only thing what you will get inside industry 4.0, connected form, and it will be controlled by the cyber layer. It will be controlled by the cyber layer. And the best concept, the technical concept, is the cyber physical system. So is there any doubt inside that?
No, sir.
Anurag, it is clear? Neha, it is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके ये थोड़ा सा मिक्स हो गया, पता नहीं आप लोगों को समझ में आया नहीं आया. सो बेसिकली 3 layers are there. Okay, my drawing is very poor, that's why I am telling. Okay, that's why I am telling about that. So I think it is what I want to make clear already. It is clear to all of you.
Eight 53.
Wait.
853.
So this already I have discussed. Mechanization, industry 1.0 is the mechanization, industry 2.0 is the assembly line and electrical energy introduced. In case of industry 3.0, automation and computer and electronics added inside that. So there is minute difference between industry 3.0 and 4.0. Okay, if you say okay, in case of industry 4.0 full automation will be there, so some people, intelligent people, may ask to you okay, sir, definitely automation is also there in case of industry 3.0, but the exact answer is automation is there, IT base is there, but introduction of servers, some SCADA based system was there in case of this industry 3.0. But in case of industry 4.0, it is purely based upon the cyber physical system, and internet of things will be there, and we have seen the power of internet of things, and so many we have so many things we have elaborated inside the internet of things. So this type of things will be there, and definitely it will be completely over the wireless. Okay, more emphasis will be over the completely smart network, connected network, and definitely a wireless based network. And Anurag, important thing is it took around
Yes, sir.
50 to 60 years.
50. Yes, sir.
50 to 60 years from jump from industry 3.0 to industry 4.0.
0.
because today we are living in the world of technology driven, and technology always demand what next. So that's why this type of things are there. Early revolution early revolution we can expect, and if industry 5.0 will be there, definitely it will be over the next 20 to 30 years. Next we will enter in the next revolution. Okay, and definitely it will be a completely virtualization. It will be a completely virtualized.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, this and industry 4.0 will be era of smart factory. Okay, smart factory. Smart factory means कि from your mobile phone, your smart devices, you can control your factory from remote end. In 3.0,
That means we can, sir, that means we can run our factory from India, France factory from India, right?
हाँ सर बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. Definitely this is the main target of industry 4.0. But only thing is you have the privilege for that. Okay, you have the privilege for that, because it is not a new thing. In case of your NGN based network also, if you have the access privilege, so from anywhere in the India you can create the subscriber. Okay, because centralization is there, no? Centralized control is there over the IP. But in that case, industry 4.0, what I mean to say here, completely from the remote end, or simply if you have the smart access, from your smart access you can control your machines. Okay, from your remote end you can even your product also, you can, with the help IoT is also embedded inside the 4.0. even you can talk to product also, and driverless trucks will be there, automatic assembly line will be there, automatic production will be there, manufacturing will be there, and all can be controlled by the one man. That is this one, and that is the purely cyber over the cyber physical system. Sir.
Sir, barcode scanning, inventory scanning is also the part of 4.0 or 3.0?
Sir, barcode basically it is a part of 3.0. Okay,
okay,
but okay, barcode
inventory scanning from from far end.
हाँ sir, barcode is the part of industry 3.0. It is a part of IT basically, but proper use of barcode, and to convert it in the cyber physical system for the regular communication is the part of industry 4.0.
Okay sir,
okay, because servers are there in the cloud also. What you have, servers are now, sir. It is definitely, for your point of view, it is a virtual part, but some sort of hardware will be there inside the cloud also, sir. So definitely so many hardware will be find inside the cloud or data center. Okay, some racks will be there, or so many shelf will be there in case of data center or the cloud basically. So everything will be over will go towards the server, but completely virtualization is there. But in case of 3.0 also servers are there. So somebody will argue, okay sir, what is the difference between this one and that one? If servers are there, here also servers are there, but here is the completely virtualization and regular connectivity is there. Barcode is the part of this one. Barcode is the part of IT basically. It is not a new concept. Okay, it is not a new concept, but even RFID is also not a new concept, but proper use in the production, and regular connectivity, and to make it able to communicate in the cyber physical system that we have seen in the last diagram that I have drawn roughly. So that is the industry 4.0. Have you got the concept, sir, or any doubt?
Yes sir, right sir.
Okay sir, any doubt?
Yes sir, clear sir.
Okay, so please see this beautiful video. This is the role of digitalization.
Once upon a time, business as usual. Was often good enough. No more. Where we are going, good enough is dead. In a world where everything is connected, where everything is equally excellent, where performance is reaching disruption, there's only one space left to innovate in: you. Right now, you are a central point in the raging tornado of change fueled by digitization, mobilization, augmentation, disintermediation, automation. Well, the list goes on. Science fiction is becoming science fact. Think about self-driving cars or computers that can learn and think. The way we work will never be the same. The skills we need will be dramatically different. Winning or losing are now happening faster than ever before. So what's your response? How will you discover new opportunities in one of the most transformational times in human history? Are you driving change, or are you being driven by it? Disruption has become the new normal. With change, it's always gradually, then suddenly, well, things really have stopped happening gradually. This change is exponential. Everything that used to be dumb and disconnected is now wired and intelligent. Cars, cities, ports, farms, even our bodies will be wired with sensors and will talk to each other. These game changers are also combinatorial. They amplify each other, creating a perfect storm of change. Quantum computing fuels big data. The Internet of Things fuels artificial intelligence and deep learning, which fuels robotics. However, anything that cannot be digitized or automated will become extremely valuable. Human-only traits such as creativity, imagination, intuition, emotion, and ethics will be even more important in the future, because machines represent the why. The future is about holistic business model. The opportunity is to be liquid, turn just in time, not just in case, not single improvements, but complete transformations, not individual systems, but new ecosystems. Humanity is where true and lasting value is created. We will engage, relate, and buy things because of the experiences they provide, because of their transformative power. The future doesn't just happen, the future gets happened. The new way to work is to embrace technology, but not to become it. The future is in technology, yet the bigger future lies in transcending it. Let's live and lead from here.
So we are moving towards the transformation, that is the digital transformation. Digitalization is not a new concept, but one additional word is also added inside the digitalization. Are you getting my voice? Neha, are you getting my voice?
It's muffling.
Huh. Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir. Now it was okay, but just before some seconds, it was muffling.
Okay, fine. So basically we are moving, the outcome of that video was basically we are moving towards the digitalization, but I am adding one thing, digitalization plus virtualization, because there is one minute differences, very minute differences there from industry 3.0 to industry 4.0. Okay, industry 3.0 to industry 4.0. It is about that IT. Basically both are meant for the IT. Both are over the IP basically. Both are over the IP or the IT basically. So major difference is there. Here digitalization is there. Digitalization is not a new concept, but here digitalization plus virtualization plus connectivity. And important thing to understand is the cyber physical system. This is the important part. And little bit complexity level is also increased. Okay, complexity level is also increased in case of industry 4.0. Here it is a normal one, it is a manual, basically manual interaction is there in case of this first revolution. In that case your electrical and all these things come into the existence. Then in this one IT is there, your robotic arm or some remote type of control is there. It is basically a robotic arm. Okay, robotic arm, that means in that case it is meant for only to perform the some certain tasks, predefined tasks. But in case of this one, it is a collaborated manner. Your machines will behave just like a collaborated robots or collaborated way. So this one are the three basic industrial revolution in 1760 to 1840. Basically mechanical production, mass production, computers and semiconductors. This is the fourth industrial revolution. The term Industry 4.0 was first publicly introduced in 2011 as Industry 4.0. Is there any difference, Anuragji, between these two words?
Which sir?
Industry
Industry and
this spelling is different, na? Basically
yes
here.
sir. Yes sir.
So which one is correct?